What's up guys, it's Twisted Toys TV and we're bringing you a brand new video.
Alright guys, so today we're in a new spot riding. We're going to see how it goes. We got the 2012 KX450F 04 RM Z250, and we actually got someone else with us today. AJ, he's riding a Suzuki DS80. So we're going to go hit some trails up and see how they are.
Can I rip this motherfucker?
Sure.
I want to see how scary this jump is on a big bike right now. I'll test it out for you.
Which one? You hitting the big one down here?
No, it's right there. Literally right there.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Let's get it. And he got stuck. Woo! Made it that time.
Oh yeah.
nasty. Almost. Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
All right, give it about an 8. So all the dirt here is actually sand, so it gets a little loose all over the place.
Alright, I'm talking with AJ the Goon, who just took this 250 up the hill back there. Well, one thing I gotta ask you is, how did that feel going up?
I got my fucking head ripped off by a goddamn tree.
We seen that on film. That was pretty scary.
Other than that, she went up pretty smooth. Got that nice back tire on there, so she wasn't too bad. A little slick, but other than that, she went up pretty easy.
Well, that's good to hear. And what do you say about the material that we have laid down for this hill climb?
It's a little slick, but it's definitely fun. It's definitely a little tricky. I'm not used to riding on this type of stuff. We're used to riding some hard pack stuff. It's definitely different riding in sand for the first time. It's definitely a little cool. I like it.
Alright, well that was AJ the Goon on the 250. We'll see you guys later.
Are you guys ready?
Hey man, how's it going over there?
Well, you know, just sitting by this tree, man, you know, just enjoying nature.
Same, I got a tree myself.
Hell yeah, see, that's how you do
Tree huggers. We got Brisk, the drink of the brappers. Here comes the Goon AJ, going for a hill attempt. We're definitely expecting to fall back down it. Got to get that good content for sure. Whoa! I went down the hill instead of the bike.
We're supposed to save the bike from falling off. I ain't gonna help if you're done.
Oh my goodness! I ripped my tuxedo shirt.
Got it.
Right, I'm gonna just wait down here and get this all on video. Alright, stand her up and ride her down. Ride her down, ride her down. That's AJ the Goon for you, folks.